What's up mga gamers? Maglaro tayo na Minecraft Survival 100 days.
There's something there.
Yes. Just run. Jay, come here. Back.
Hey,
Go back. Look, it says...
something. Not here.
Jay, patayin natin to, Jay. Jeremy, patayin natin to. Dali ito. Sino po ang patay saan? May mga dolphin bakit? So, yun na nga, mag-survival kami ng pinsan ko dito sa maliit na island na to. Look, Jay. Patayin natin ito, Jay. Please, tara. Oh, ito lang yung binigay.
Get a ball.
Halos mamatay na ako. Namatay na ako.
Get a ball.
No. Dito lang tayo. Okay? No.
To get in another big island.
No, there's no island. Okay? You understand? Ito lang yung island. Yes.
There's any island.
No.
Crafting table. Hindi, bakit andito ka?
Uy, di nga tayo gagawa ng boat. You understand? Ha? Di nga gagawa ng boat. Wala kang island. Wala kang island. O bala ka, umalis ka. Basta ako dito lang. Sana mamatay ka dyan.
I see a wooden bottle.
So in portal, you see it?
Yes,
Where?
it's down. And literally.
Ay nako, Jay. Wala kang ano dyan.
Sabayayo ako, tapos kikita ako nagalit.
Wala nga. Wala nga gani. Yun, may nakuha na akong stone. Meron na akong stone, Jay.
How? I don't want this game. I don't like it.
Dito ka na kasi.
I don't want the ground. Yes.
Papunta ka na. Help mo na lang ako mag-mine. Tulungan mo na lang kasi ako mag-mining, okay? Para may stone tayo. At coal. Jeremy. Oh. Told you, you're gonna die. Bro.
Oh.
Jay, help mo ako mag-mine. Ay, hindi to sa mining. We need... Wala pala tayong coordinates with nyo. Ayan, meron na. Oh, meron zombie. Kaya kailangan natin to. Okay?
Okay, we did a base.
Yes.
Out of wood, and we can escape this
Yes.
island.
Tara, dito ka. Tulungan mo mag-mine. Meron na tayong base dito, Jay.
Yan yung base natin.
Oh,
to the underground.
yes.
With the underground was a fall. Inside the underground was a fall. You want to look loud. I was a fall.
Galing ah.
Adis.
Panis talaga.
Note ko yan.
Oo.
Ikaw din?
Hindi. Kailangan natin ng ilaw. Minisip ako, Jay. May naisip ako. May naisip. Crafting.
Plastic tape.
I have idea. Bigay mo sa akin yung wood. Give it to me. Bilis, bilis. Bilis, bilis. Yan. Ito lang, ito lang.
Bye.
Ito at... Wait lang. Asan yun? Ito. Tiga mo. Magkaroon na ng coal. We need sapling. Uy, meron na akong sapling.
Ha?
Diba? Ang galing na. Oh. That's what you call survival. Okay? Galing.
Yes.
Oh. Diba maganda?
Yes.
Oh.
I have this. I have this.
Ilagay mo lahat ng sapling.
I have actually.
Kukuha lang ako nito para may panluto tayo. Uy, may coal.
Oh, there another island.
Yes, but it's too little, right? Maliit lang yan. Teka, puntahan mo.
It's big, like there.
No. It's not. Look.
Wait, it's like we need cover.
Yes.
We need cover. There's zombies.
Wait lang. Tingnan muna natin to. Kunin mo yung wood, okay? Kailangan natin tumailawan yung ano para wala mag-spawn. Yan. Oh, panis. Go get down. Punta ka na doon sa ibaba, bilis. Bilis, Jay, bilis.
Okay.
Okay. Wait a minute. Narinig na yan. May drown. Yan, dyan tayo. Harangan natin. It's mindset!
Hey, ayos ka na.
Appear!
Up.
Nice one! Go mining. O gagawa ko na mining mo. Gagawa ko pickaxe. Hindi yan.
I have 30 wood.
O pickaxe, Jay. O,
I have 4 wood.
Jay, come. Mag-mining tayo dito.
Wait. I'm making up. Oh, you make me up because
Yes.
now
Hey! Hindi, pababa. Paganto. Hindi ganyan. Jay. Bro! Dito ka. Yan.
ayaw lucky.
Hindi ako yun. Ikaw yun. Bilis, bilis.
How we get
Oh! May tubig ka. Wala, may tubig. Ikot tayo, ikot. Alis yan! Wala, galit. Alis yan. Oh. Uy, may drown. Huwag mong ano yun. Meron zombie dun, oh. Ay, ang likot, oh. Kulit mo talaga, Jay.
Start.
Place it. Bro, papatayin kita.
We need food.
Uy, meron na ako nakuha coal. O, huwag ka titingin dito. Ay, kinuha ka na yan. Ano yan? Ano yan?